Hi, I'm attorney Demitrus of the TEIL law firms where excellence matters. And today I'd like to talk to you about doing business on the internet. Now, everybody's doing business on the internet, right? So you may be given advice over the internet, or it's quite possible that you are drop shipping or you're sending your widgets across state lines or even across the country in order for an end user to purchase those products. Now that's great, but it means that you have to be very careful about two different things. And well, at least two things that we'll talk about today. One of them is who is the end user? That is, who is the final person that will receive your product? And you have to be concerned about where that end user is located. Now let's say for instance you're in state A and you are selling something to a person in state B, a widget. Now your packaging is really beautiful and there's a spring in it and something goes wrong and the spring pops up, and when the user receives it they injure their eye. Now in that particular situation, if they decide to bring a lawsuit because you are in a different state, you may have to go to that state in order to defend it. This is our Long Arm Statute in the United States. And what it means is you availed yourself of the laws there. Now, of course, just one package going into that state may not be enough, but let's say you regularly are doing business in that state without you really being aware of it. I mean, how would you know who's buying your products, right? Well, you have to be concerned about it. You have to find out where your products are being shipped to and find out if you do not want to go there and defend yourself in the state that that product is going. You want to make sure you're letting your users know before they purchase on your internet site exactly where and how any injuries or any lawsuits will be handled. The next issue has to do with the end user, and that is the person who's purchasing your product really the person that they say they are? Now you have to be diligent as a business owner and find out, especially in the United States, because we have laws that say some things cannot be exported. So you want to make sure that you know who the end user is and whether or not they're on any list by the federal government that says you cannot export to those persons or to that government. This has been Attorney Demitrus Evans with your TEIL Legal Minute. Please call me if you have any questions at 708-531-1740, 708-531-1740, the TEIL firms, where excellence matters.